Just welcome to this media desert and also this Jamsagar media. Both are medias which is the front of me. And we are just standing this near to the collectorate office near to the Bishnoi Dharamsala, Bikaner. Myself, Jeevan Chetral from Bajju because we are today. Both these medias are working for since 5 days in this program. So I am also again I am also the welcome to this both. We are there doing this well media programs in this area because so many people are just gathering here say various sides, especially this Ganganagar, Nagaur, Sanchor, Jodhpur, also the Haryana and Ganganagar towards 36, this community of the 36 community, all communities are gathering here. By the today and tomorrow also it will be remain uncounted in these days. So they are just strangling to protect this of the tree, though especially this khejali is in this area because the tree is the khejali is give our more this energy to the all the people. They are also vegetable. They are also the, have the one type of the grow this crops also. They are give the benefit to this area and also this have also the food material is also given by this khejali. So we have to protect this khejali. And this according to air quality of index means our atmosphere also the heavy population is there. Due to this carbon dioxide there in the population is there. If the tree will be cut, we have to balance of the our carbon dioxide and oxygen will be disbalanced because we are just taking the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, this is taken by the especially the tree, the plant, and they are released the oxygen. So this system of this circulation of carbon dioxide actually will be with the atmosphere. You can see this in Delhi, national capital of Delhi. Air quality of index. This is more dangerous to our people because due to the heavy the transportation system, there's agriculture systems, there's the transportation systems, there is a overloaded of this. Overloaded the public, so due to their have this or air quality problem is there. So we have to protect our this or climate also. So I am just all the people gathering in this Bishnoi Dharamsala and they will be remain and just not a certain period because they will be remain more than whatever they will reach to our target. They have taken this target. They will be reached to the target. Any this solution is there. In Jaipur, they gave some message to the PM, and they are also the amendment was Kanun. This law is to protect this our tree. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Have a nice journey. Myself, Jeevan Tetra. Welcome to the media and also this other person. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Okay.